Calm down. You know, look ahead. Think ahead. Did you not see the old gentleman crossing? Or do you not think to plan ahead? Mate, you couldn't... Proper prior planning and preparation prevents piss poor performance, and that was piss poor performance. You got to look ahead for the lights and give that old gentleman time to cross. Your impatience is completely unnecessary. So why'd you beep at the car? Toba, toba, toba. Like, I dislike that because it's just, it ends up being bullying from a position of power over somebody else. And the position of power he has is that he's in a powerful... He was very bad about the old gentleman crossing. So I was just like not impressed by that, you know. You alright? Your buddy here is a bit worried about it all.
No, I'm not. I'm good. You alright though?
I'm good, thanks. It's nice to chat to you. I like your car. You too, man. I do like your car. It's very nice. I don't hate anyone, right?
I know you don't.
It's the behaviors I don't like.
You've got skates and everything on there.
Yeah, I'm going to go and work with my boss's young lad who has, you know, the one who has Down syndrome.
Yes, yeah. Oh, fair play to you.
He's my heart, that lad.
That's nice to hear. I haven't seen you post for a while though. What's happening? What am I missing it?
I'm on YouTube. I'm not on TikTok at the moment. So all the TikTok stuff are people stealing shit from me.
Oh, alright, fair enough.
Well, I hope you have a nice weekend and do some good fun stuff. You too, mate. Nice to chat to you.